Namaste, you are listening to Prem Anmol Hota Hai Vani. I am your host, Vani. Last time, you heard how Rasheel kissed Alka ma'am and said that with the support of a leader like her, anyone could achieve success. Today, you will witness Rasheel's complete transformation. You will hear how, after joining the gym with Alka ma'am and getting a haircut, Rasheel has started looking like a radiant 16-year-old, making it impossible for even her own mother to recognize her. How ma'am skillfully introduced Rasheel to her father but kept her dark past with the wicked Zed a secret, fearing his traditional views might lead him to reject a potential match for his grandson. And the biggest event, after ensuring Rasheel's prosperity, Alka ma'am secretly went to Jalandhar to meet Rasheel's parents, Harbhajan and Harbinder. In a hotel room, ma'am narrated the entire story of the agonies their daughter endured. Tears flowed uncontrollably from the parents' eyes. But why did Alka ma'am take a promise from them not to contact Rasheel yet? What is her next big plan? Pain, promises, and the tears of parents, in Prem Anmol Hota Hai Vani. You will hear Episode 21, The Transformation, The Secret Meeting, and The Promise of Jalandhar.
Rasheel, what kind of emotion has swept you away? Alka asked affectionately.
Rasheel expressed the feelings welling up in her heart with innocence. Ma'am, I was just thinking that whoever gets the support and encouragement of a successful leader like you can surely achieve mastery in any task. From that day, Rasheel's transformation began. Within 2 months, ma'am helped her rent a flat. She also encouraged Rasheel to join a gym. Working out intensely, Rasheel lost 6 kilos in 3 months. Then one day, she went to an expensive parlor with ma'am. Inspired by ma'am, she got a haircut. Although cutting hair is often discouraged for sick women, she was so influenced by Alka ma'am that she found joy in imitating her. Her new fitness and haircut made her look like a college girl. She regained her lost radiance. She no longer looked like the woman who had been tortured for a year, a period that had made her look 10 years older than her actual age.
Is this Harbhajan's daughter from Jalandhar, the one who rejected Parag's proposal? She looks nothing like the photo I saw before, the father said in disbelief.
Papa, this is the same Rasheel. The only change is her haircut and her evolution from a domestic girl to a successful professional, ma'am explained.
Ma'am kept the truth, that Rasheel had run away and been married to a wicked man, hidden from her father. She feared his traditional views might prevent him from accepting Rasheel as a bride for his grandson, Parag, despite her beauty and talent. Scene shift. After securing Rasheel's future, Alka ma'am reached Jalandhar under the pretext of a business deal. She called Harbhajan and his wife, Harbinder, to her hotel.
But it has been 2.5 years since Rasheel suddenly disappeared. Where was she all this time? And if she is with you now, why did she avoid contacting us or coming back home? Harbinder asked anxiously.
I have come here specifically to tell you everything I've learned from Rasheel. But before I do, I want a promise from you. After knowing everything, you will not get angry, and you will not try to meet or call her until I tell you to, ma'am insisted, believing secrecy was in everyone's best interest for now.
I assure you that even after knowing everything, we will do exactly as you wish, Harbhajan promised.
Alka ma'am then detailed everything, from Rasheel running away with her lover to the torture she suffered at his hands. Hearing of their daughter's plight, both parents were overwhelmed with grief and rage. Tears streamed down their faces. Gemini's critique and creative guidance. Dear listeners, this concludes episode 21. This episode masterfully depicts the depth of Alka ma'am's altruism. The emotional scene in Jalandhar has taken the story to new heights. Now that Rasheel's parents know the truth, the stage is set for a final resolution. But the mystery of why Alka ma'am is doing all this remains. Stay tuned for the next revelation. End of episode 21. Episode 22. Namaste, you are listening to Prem Anmol Hota Hai Vani. I am your host, Vani. Last night, Alka ma'am told the harrowing story of Rasheel's torture to her parents in Jalandhar. Today, you will hear the deep regret of a mother and a father. Rasheel's mother, Harbinder, expresses her guilt. I am the one to blame for all this. If I had told him earlier, perhaps he could have stopped her from taking such a drastic step. And the father Harbhajan's anger also surfaces, how he had beaten Harbinder, and how the entire family had considered Rashil dead and forgotten her. You will hear Alka Ma'am's calm diplomacy. She removes Harbinder's guilt and shows pictures of Rashil's current beauty, which leaves them both astonished. Harbhajan's self-reflection, he wants to ask for Rashil's forgiveness, because his anger and indifference caused his beloved daughter to endure torture like a convicted criminal for over a year. Alka Ma'am's final promise, I promise that when the time comes, I will present Rashil before you in a way that no one will have any complaints against her. But why does Alka Ma'am say she has one more task to do before telling Harbhajan anything? What is it? Forgiveness, atonement, and Alka Ma'am's final, biggest plan, in Prem Anmol Hota Hai Vani. You will hear Episode 22, a mother's guilt and a father's penance, waiting for the final secret.
Somehow, both were able to control their anger and mental agony. Harbhajan managed to stop crying, but Harbinder was still sobbing with hiccups. I am the one to blame for all this. Rashil had told me about that man's name and her love for him. Fearing the terrible chaos that would erupt in the house at the mention of his name, I kept her secret to myself. I even warned her to forget him. Rashil lied to me, saying she had forgotten him. If I had told Harbhajan and her brother earlier, they might have found a way to stop her, Harbinder said, her voice choking with emotion. Don't blame yourself like this. It was simply Rashil's unfortunate fate at that time. Anyone in your place would have done the same. What mother has the courage to see her daughter beaten or killed by her own family? Still, I must ask, did you conduct any search when Rashil went missing? Alka Ma'am tried to alleviate Harbinder's guilt.
When Rashil vanished and there was no sign of her for 2 days, Harbinder told me everything. I was so enraged that I beat her, so severely that I broke her arm. When the family intervened, I told them why she ran away. Everyone was so hurt and angry. We accepted it as a loss, thinking that just as we lost daughters in the past during the partition, we lost this generation's daughter in India itself. Because of that, we never filed a report or searched for her, Harbhajan explained, detailing the family's state at that time.
I can understand your mindset at that time. Losing daughters repeatedly in such a way can be a cause of great anger and deep humiliation for any family. Alka expressed her empathy.
Could you show us a photo of Rashil as she is now? Harbhajan asked, unable to suppress his longing to see his daughter.
She looks even more beautiful today than before. So much so that even you might not recognize her as your own daughter if you saw her somewhere, Alka Ma'am said, showing them the photos on her mobile. Harbhajan and Harbinder looked at every photo in the album titled Rashil with great joy. They kept swiping back and forth, comparing her old photos with the new ones. Did Rashil cut her hair when she ran away with him? I truly can't recognize her. She looks 10 years younger, like a 16-year-old girl, Harbinder said, her voice overflowing with motherly affection. No, when Rashil escaped, she actually looked 10 years older due to the agony she suffered. It is a matter of great fortune that I spotted her at the station. It was simply Rashil's destiny, Alka Ma'am replied, attributing it to fate.
Can you tell us how you found her and how you transformed her like this? Harbhajan wanted to hear the details of Rashil's change.
Your daughter is very capable and determined. After I gave her the job, she not only completed the professional course but also joined the gym. Following my example, she even cut her hair and now lives under my protection in this new avatar. Alka Ma'am praised Rashil's virtues.
We will never forget this kindness of yours. Our only daughter found you through our good fortune. You have molded her into a completely new person and restored her dignity. The daughter we had forgotten, considering her dead, we are now desperate to meet. Does Rashil know you have come to Jalandhar to meet us? Harbhajan asked with folded hands.
No, Rashil has no inkling of this. As for meeting you, she doesn't want to show her face to anyone yet. She is plagued by guilt whenever she remembers running away with that wicked man. She considers herself a criminal in your eyes, unworthy of forgiveness. Alka Ma'am explained why the trip was secret. Life taught my innocent, stubborn, and sweet daughter a very harsh lesson. I could never have imagined she would become so mature so quickly. This has been possible only through your grace and her fate. I am just a simple woman. I have no words to thank you, Harbinder said, her maternal feelings surging. Don't speak so poorly of yourself. I promise that when the time comes, I will present Rashil before you in such a way that no one will have any complaints. And then Rashil too will overcome the shame of her past, Alka said, holding Harbinder's hands.
Our hearts are restless, but we will have the patience to wait to meet Rashil. Do you think it's right to tell her that we have forgiven her? Please tell her, Rashil, your parents have forgiven you and pray that you forgive them too, Harbhajan said emotionally.
I don't think it's right to tell her about our meeting just yet. But tell me, why do you seek forgiveness from Rashil? Alka Ma'am asked, curious about their guilt.
She was our only daughter, raised with so much love and indulgence. Everyone in the house was ready to fulfill her every wish. Yet, when she left home, we didn't try to find her. Out of pride and prestige, we considered her dead to us. If we had searched for her, she might have been saved from suffering, third-degree torture for over a year. Our beloved's plight happened because of our anger and indifference. For this, we must ask for her forgiveness. Harbhajan confessed his guilt.
I understand your feelings. However, I have one more task to complete before I tell her anything, Alka ma'am said. And what is that? Harbinder asked.
Gemini's critique and creative guidance. Dear listeners, this concludes episode 22. This segment masterfully portrays the profound remorse of Rishi's parents and establishes Alka ma'am's maternal foresight and extraordinary loyalty. The transformation of a father's anger into penance and a mother's guilt into hope creates a powerful emotional arc. The mystery of the one last task keeps the tension alive for the upcoming finale. Stay tuned for the final resolution. End of episode 22. Episode 23. Namaste. You are listening to Prem Anmol Hota Hai Vani. I am your host, Vani. In the previous episode, Rishil's parents were overwhelmed with emotion, and Alka ma'am promised them that she would bring Rishil back with honors soon. Today, you will hear Alka ma'am's final, most secret, and most complex strategy: how to arrange Rishil's marriage to her nephew Parag while keeping her past hidden. Alka ma'am revealed that she must convince both Parag and Rishil for this marriage. But the biggest question, will Parag accept Rishil even after learning about her tainted past? You will hear Alka ma'am's sharp insight. American society is different from ours. They accept life partners who may have had previous relationships. For them, what matters most is loyalty within the marriage. Ma'am's strategy. The circle of secrecy. She will only reveal Rishil's past to Parag and her younger nephew. Keeping the parents in the dark, she won't tell Parag's parents, as their traditional views might cause domestic conflict. A new narrative. Rishil's family will be told that she didn't run away with the boy, but left home out of a desperate passion to start a career. But one final hurdle remains, Alka ma'am says, because of the lessons life taught her, Rishil no longer trusts men. Convincing her to marry will be a challenge of its own. Will Harbinder's faith prove true? You are no less than the Guru Sahib to her. She will not refuse your word. Diplomacy, necessary secrets, and a new future. In Prem Anmol Hota Hai Vani. You will hear Episode 23. Alka ma'am's final strategy, truth, lies, and American society.
I will have to convince my brother and my nephew Parag to marry Rishil, and I must also convince Rishil to marry Parag, Alka ma'am explained her plan.
Even after all that Rishil has been through, do you think it will be easy for your family, and especially Parag, to accept her? And even if they are ready, what difficulties will Rishil face regarding marriage? Harbhajan asked, unable to believe it.
Are you thinking of convincing them by hiding the fact that Rishil was previously married? Harbinder asked before Alka could even speak. In this matter, it will be necessary to tell a little truth and hide a little. Otherwise, there will be a risk of unrest in their marriage, Alka ma'am revealed her calculated strategy. Rishil's wedding will take place in America, and she will live there afterward. Therefore, many people here and even there will never know about her tainted past. I believe it is necessary to tell the whole truth to a select few, while ensuring the rest never get a whiff of that dark chapter, Alka ma'am clarified. I find it appropriate and safe to tell this unpleasant reality only to Parag and my younger nephew. Parag has to spend his whole life with her, so it wouldn't be right to keep him in the dark, Alka ma'am explained.
Will he agree to marry her after knowing about her past? Harbhajan was still skeptical.
Look, Harbhajan ji, American society is different from our country. Divorces are common there. Both men and women enter second or third marriages. They accept partners who have been in previous physical relationships. Their priority is that their partner remains loyal during the marriage. Since Parag lives in that society, I don't think he will refuse Rishil based on what happened to her, Alka explained the cultural difference. I am in favor of not telling Parag's parents. Although they live in America, they were raised in our society and likely hold traditional views. Having two conflicting opinions in the house could cause unnecessary discord. If Parag wants to marry her but his parents object, it will only lead to domestic strife, Alka ma'am said, unwilling to risk the family's peace. I also request both of you to keep Rasheel's truth to yourselves. Do not tell anyone in your household. Telling the truth might diminish the respect and affection they have for her. It is better that they look at the Rasheel of today and feel proud, Alka ma'am advised, emphasizing the need for privacy even within Harbhajan's family. You can tell your family that you were mistaken, that Rasheel didn't run away with the boy. Say instead, she left because she was possessed by a passion for a career, and we had forbidden it. Looking at the successful professional Rasheel is today, everyone will believe you. They will take your word as truth, Alka ma'am suggested as a way to clear Rasheel's name. Even if they doubt it, we must remain silent about the truth. We have settled everything, but I still have one more thing to fix, Alka stated clearly. Because of the lessons she learned, Rasheel no longer trusts men. She sees me living an unmarried life and believes that staying single is the right path. Convincing her to marry will be a significant challenge, Alka shared her concern. She is very stubborn. She does exactly what she sets her mind to. However, your case is different. To her, you are no less than the Guru Sahib. Your voice will be like Gurbani to her. She will not disregard your word, Harbinder said, bowed in reverence to Alka ma'am for giving her daughter a new life.
Gemini's critique and creative guidance. Dear listeners, this concludes episode 23. This episode showcases Alka ma'am's brilliant diplomacy and her courageous resolve for Rasheel's future. The secret meeting in Jalandhar has ended, and the master plan is now clear. As we approach the final revelation, the focus shifts back to the only remaining mystery, Alka ma'am's own life. Why did she choose to remain single? The answer lies in the heart of the next episode. End of episode 23.